lapha noma nayo ibafu ukhona
akazange avuma
okay bathithana ke okay yasithana ke obviously uqhwaqhwa
njengayo
we are asking you about your relationship.
Yes,
there's no relationship.
So uzamuzwa ndoba amlobola
all. There is no relationship.
So uba ngabona nabafu umuntu abiqinile
noba ngangena apha ngoku siyathatha
twins are not twinning anymore
at all. Le nto andiyihana azindongena engqondweni.
so now future-wise
yeah.
it might happen in future nifuna usebenza nobabili like would it happen?
Masingayiqali neqala so